Well, we do a number of events, including bonfires, block parties, teacher appreciation event, outdoor movie nights, and more, where surrounding communities and neighborhoods are invited to come join us for a free, family-friendly event in an afternoon or an evening. My name is Debbie Kraft, and my business partners and I, Tisha and Denise, are blessed to run this outdoor mobile ministry called Kindness Delivered. It was inspired by God as a platform that we can use to share His love and kindness. We partner with churches, schools, and other nonprofits to deliver kindness, knowing that love transforms and can change the course of someone's day and even someone's life. Kindness is rare and often unexpected, and so, for example, at many of our events, people will come up and tell us stories about how they intend to pay this kindness forward. Denise and Tish and I are so blessed each time we do an event, and so it acts as a constant source of inspiration for us.
My name's Judy Smith, and I nominated Kindness Deliver for the Jiffy Award. Well, it's special for a lot of reasons, but I really like the fact that they include community no matter who they are. They work hard to make it work, and they're all good friends.
Well, so last year we launched our ministry right before COVID hit, so we had to be very creative in how to deliver kindness while social distancing. So this year, during our busy season, it's been great because we've been able to get up close and personal with the people that we're serving.
In my opinion, kindness is not something you should take for granted. I think we all strive to be kind, but sometimes we just kind of don't do enough. It can be opening a door for someone. It can say thank you for someone, thank you for your service, or whatever it might be. And in their cases, they try to make everyone part of that kindness. They try to teach kindness in its own way.
Well, from a practical point of view, our van has been handy and necessary to haul our items from event to event that we use. It has created a brand identity for us that creates conversations and inspires questions about kindness and gives us a platform again to be able to deliver and spread even more kindness.